Find yourself a safe, comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Allow your eyes to close as you begin to get even more comfortable, hands resting comfortably and body fully supported. As you relax, just allow your focus to turn inwards to your breathing. Feel your lungs expand and your chest slowly rise with each breath in. And feel your lungs and chest contract as you slowly exhale, letting each breath out. Use your breathing as your anchor, and if your mind should begin to wander, just bring your awareness back to your breathing and tune in to the rhythmic rise and fall of your chest. Be open to inviting all positive energy into your space, breathing it in. Allow the positivity to fully envelop your entire being. Allow your breathing to become deeper, drawing in more positive energy. Allow it to purify and cleanse you in your entirety, replacing any old stagnant energy with new, revitalizing positivity. Stay connected to this positive energy and feel your mood beginning to lift, rising to a happy, positive place, matching the vibration and embracing every positive thought and feeling that comes to you. Feel your energy rising inside of you. Breathe in deeply, bursting with positivity, like a big smile that can't be contained. Take a deep breath in and let out a big sigh of relief. Let go of anything that isn't self-serving. Exhale it out. Feel it release and feel your energy rising higher and higher with each breath. Hold this energy with you. Remember this feeling and return to this state at any time you may feel the need. It is always your choice, your body, your mind, your choice. Nothing and no one can stop you. When you are ready, Allow your eyes to slowly open as you bring yourself back to full reality. Stay with this higher, positive energy